Delhi government today will launch a new anti-pollution campaign called Red Light On, Gadi Off, under which motorists will be encouraged to switch off vehicles while waiting for lights to turn green at traffic signals. Now, Aam Aadmi Party leader Raghav Chadha, along with several other AAP workers, stood at a red light in East Delhi's Rajendra Nagar today to start off the campaign. On being asked whether things will change for Delhiites finally and will go beyond the campaigns, Chadha said that pollution is a North India problem and the bigger picture will change only when the neighbouring states of Punjab, UP and Haryana also take strict measures and not just the Delhi government. My colleague Sukirti Trivedi spoke with him.
We are currently at the Rajendra Nagar Chowk where the Aam Aadmi Party has started its campaign Red Light On, Engine Off to reduce vehicular pollution in the city. I have with me Mr. Raghav Chadha here from Aam Aadmi Party. Sir, first tell us the scale at which you are starting this campaign at this point of time.
Well, as per the call and the instructions of the Honourable Chief Minister, we have started this unique campaign in my constituency, which is the Rajendra Nagar constituency, whereby all volunteers of the constituency do this drill at every busy junction of Rajendra Nagar Vidhan Sabha. We have identified a few places where the traffic is pretty high at peak hours, and all of us get together at these busy junctions with our placards, make an appeal to all the commuters to switch off the engine and the ignition when the red light goes on. And we are getting a lot of support, and by conducting this awareness drive, we are making people aware as to how they can contribute in this fight against air pollution.
How will initiatives like these change really the bigger picture?
Stubble burning and several other factors that have their origins in neighbouring states contribute heavily towards the air pollution levels in Delhi. Air pollution is a North India issue. Air pollution is not a Delhi specific issue, and one needs to be suffering from a very severe form of myopia to feel that air pollution is only a Delhi issue. It's CPCB's own data that says that up to 44% contribution towards Delhi's air pollution is because of stubble burning done in Punjab and Haryana. So therefore, I think we need to find a North India solution. There cannot be a Delhi specific solution. Now, we do hope that neighbouring states also realize that how they're playing havoc with the respiratory health of the people of Delhi. I also hope that under the leadership of the union government, all state governments come together and fight air pollution. We are implementing GRAP. The Chief Minister has come out with a 7-point plan. We have done several steps in the last few years which have actually had a favourable impact. So I do hope that these steps, of course, will continue. But neighbouring states need to chip in. It's high time they need to realize that they also have a responsibility, if not towards the people of Delhi, but at least towards the people of their own state. Because in the process, what they're also doing is impacting adversely the health of the people of their own state.